channel. So today is going to be a different video, so I'm actually filming on my iPhone right now, but I am going to film a little thing of eyelashes. So I am barefaced, I'm not putting eyelashes on right now, so what I'm actually going to do is show you how to keep them as pristine, as perfect as anything. So I basically have my lashes here, and as you can see, they literally have so much mascara and they just need a good wash. So first things first, you need to get something that is able to hold your eyelashes in. This is literally like off the top of the lid of something that I usually put my like toothbrushes and stuff in. So I'm just going to pop them water, it has to be warm water, in here. So it's been like 20-ish minutes. Lashes are completely soaked. Let's just shake them. So this one doesn't have that much glue on, so we're going to get the glue, we're going to get our tweezers and literally just peel the glue right off. Literally this easy. It comes off straight away. All of that glue. So the lash there. I'm literally holding it so you don't pinch the lash. And you just peel off the glue. It's that easy, guys. Okay. So once they're all done, what I do is get the thing that they were literally like packaged in, put this on, and you want them to form into this shape anyway, they'll naturally stick. So just stick them back on like that, and what we're going to do, I'll just focus it for you guys, what we're going to do is, because the three TL35 ones are quite fluffy, we're going to make sure that all the little ones that we like to be fluffy is just separated. So you literally just play around, and that is it. So if you guys do want to see how you put them on, then just keep watching.
One sec, baby, I'm just replying to my barber now. Sorry, Jess, I meant that a second one day.
So your barber's more important than me?
You want me to answer that? Why would you make me choose that?
It's me or your barber.
Big fun.
Silence! Why is there silence?
There wasn't silence, I was like, it's big fun. Nice. Babe, you need a skin fade, I'm sorry.
I can give you a skin fade.
I mean, then I'm marrying you right now. I don't know what I'm waiting for.
Hey guys, so I thought to do something different today. As you might be able to tell from the title, it is how to make sure that your lashes are pristine and perfect. So it's going through washing, kind of drying, taking the glue off, and now is the application. So as you can tell, I've done my makeup, it's just an everyday look, but I thought to show you how to put your lashes on. So these are the things you will need. First you will need your mascara. I've just got the Maybelline Colossal 100% Black. Got this from, I think, Pretty Little Thing, so it's nothing that expensive and it's really good. The next thing you will need also is your eyelash colours. Make sure they are clean. If not, don't worry too much, but obviously when you are putting on your lashes, you do want to make sure that you don't have any mascara on them. As well as that, you will need this, but you don't have to. I will show you one how to use your fingers to apply lashes and the other one how to use this. And last but not least, this. How am I supposed to put lashes on without the glue? I have to, guys, and I haven't even got the glue out, just bear with. I have so much glue and I didn't think to get glue out, and I don't know how I'm going to do how to put your eyelashes on, but I forgot the glue. So the next thing that you will need is the glue. This is the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive, as well as finally your washed and cleaned eyelashes. They don't have to be washed, you guys can use the brand new ones. These ones are the TL35 Tatty Lashes, and these are my favourite, so I will show you how to do it. So let's just get right to it. So the first thing that you will need to do is obviously get your little get your eyelash curlers and curl your eyelashes upwards. So we're just going to go towards your lash, curl them and bring this up. Hold it there for about 10 seconds. Okay, let go. And as you can tell, they're just slightly lifted. Next thing we are going to use is our trusty mascara, any mascara that you want to use, and just apply mascara onto your lashes, just as you normally would. Don't worry, there's no right or wrong way. So your eyelashes, my brother goes up and down these stairs so many times. Your eyelashes are now done. Just let them dry for a little bit, and we will get on to the next bit, which is the favourite of everybody's and the know-how on how to put eyelashes on. So these are Tatty Lashes. You don't have to use Tatty Lashes. Use any ones that you want. It's literally the exact same process. Trim your lashes if you want to. I usually don't, because the eyelashes are literally like my size. If anything, I would usually like trim the tiny bit of the ends off, but kind of measure it to your eye before you put the glue on. So you're just going to get the sides and peel them like that, and they literally come off so easily, just like that. So next, what we're going to do is make sure that we have the eyelash in the holder like that. So it's in the holder, it's not holding this part here, it's holding the ends. So the lash is here, so what we're going to do is put the glue in the middle, and I usually put more lash glue on the side because that's where they usually fall off. And what I would say about lashes is the only thing I don't do is blow onto them, because there is bacteria in your mouth and you're literally just putting bacteria, spraying it onto here, and you're putting it on your lashes, and that's not what you want to do. So you usually wait around 30 to 60 seconds to wait for the glue to kind of get tacky. So excuse the weird little mark there, I don't know what happened, but yeah. We're going to put our lashes on. So our lashes are ready. And what we're going to do, I'll just bring this in closer, and we're going to start on this eye. So what we're going to do is look down and get the middle bit of your lash, of your eyelash here, and just place it in. So again, going to get the lash that we've already got here, and we're going to place it in the middle and then do corner by corner with this applicator. So just looking down, by the way, that was my arm, that wasn't me. I'm just going to close our eyes, measure it. If you get it wrong, it's easily done, you can like take it off, don't worry. So measure it, let go. Now you don't need this anymore. You're going to put the sides on. Now this is my favourite bit, so you make sure that these parts are all sticking down. Now what you need to do is get any tweezer and pinch your real lashes and your fake lashes together so it doesn't fall. So that's one lash on with the applicator. Now it looks a bit weird that I've got one lash on, one lash off, so let's just put the other one on. So what you need to do is just get your lash, just peel it off carefully, when they do first come into the box, they are stuck down with little like tacky bits, so be careful when you do take them off. Try and not strip the lashes off. What we're going to do is hold, I'll just show you like this. So we're going to hold the lash like this. Going to put the glue on, so in the middle, I'll just show you guys. So we're going to go in the middle, and then more onto the side, and more onto the other side again. So you want all your lash coated like that. So this lash here, just close your eyes and pop the lash. So what we're going to do, just pinch the lashes together now. It looks a bit weird when you're doing that, but it really does help to make sure they stay intact. Now our lashes are on, we're actually going to go back in with our mascara because they've dried. And we're just going to pop on the mascara so our fake lashes and real lashes are linked together. Some more on the bottom. Okay, and literally that is it. Simple, easy steps. I've shown you how to put it on with an applicator as well as your little fingers. Hopefully not as little as mine because mine are tiny. But yeah, I really hope you like this video. It's short and sweet, and if you want me to do any more how-tos, then I will. Just comment down below. Like, share and subscribe. Also, I do have the petitions down at the bottom. If there are any more petitions that you guys have seen around, just tell me and DM me, and then I will make sure to pop them into my comments below. And yeah, that's basically it. Literally the most easiest, simplest thing. Literally love these lashes so much. Just tell me how you get on, see if you need any help. I'm always here. I will be lurking in the comments below, and I hope to see you very shortly. See you guys soon. Love you, bye.